let's look at now the format or the basic format of tax computation. Okay. Format of tax computation ni is what are the items, what are the categories, what are uh, the terms used when you file income tax. Okay. Okay. For the purpose of this presentation, saya nak start satu daripada what we call bottoms up approach ni ya. Let's say this particular person is charged 1,525 ringgit for his tax for last year. So every year people file taxes for the previous year's punya income. So tahun ini 2022 you file the tax for tahun 2021 punya income which has been past due in April hari tu. Okay, let's say this is what happened to this individual when they filed his income tax in April hari tu. He was charged 1,525 ringgit for his income in 2021. So this tax is charged based on what? Okay, this tax is charged based on what we call chargeable income. Okay, this particular person has a chargeable income last year of 35,000 ringgit, and then based on a tax rate table, this particular person will be charged 475 ringgit for the first 20,000, and the next 15,000 ringgit he will be charged 7%, which is 1050, and this is how the LHDN compute the tax that is charged to this person based on his chargeable income. So chargeable income will be used to compute tax charge. Okay, tax charge is not the tax that you will have to pay. Saya nak apa tu, pause kat situ dulu. So how much we have to pay? Kejap lagi kita tengok. Kita habiskan ke atas ni dulu. So how do we arrive at this term called chargeable income for an individual? So it must be coming from the aggregate income. So the word is income sebenarnya. It come from the income. Aggregate income tu apa? So aggregate income tu campur semua-semua income lah. Okay, all the income yang that particular person has lah. Salary, allowance, bonuses, rental, royalties, and if this particular person happen to file also together with his wife, okay, tax filing ada yang boleh file individual, seorang-seorang, ada yang boleh file join dengan wife dia. So that's why it's called aggregate income. So macam mana this person ni gaji dia, katakanlah this example dia tak ada gaji lain sebenarnya, dia ada salary saja of 5,000 per month gross. So 5 kali 12 adalah 60,000 gaji dia setahun. So macam mana 60,000 ni boleh jadi chargeable income 35,000. So this 60,000 can reduce to 35,000 based on the first one, what we call gift and donation. Okay. So this person daripada gaji 60,000 setahun tu, during the year dia ada buat gift and donation to a certain body or to a certain fund of 5,000 ringgit. Later, when go to e-filing, kita akan tengok what are the type of gift, what are the type of donation that you can put here. Bukan semua boleh ha. Kalau walaupun namanya gift and donation, tapi bukan semua boleh. Tapi these are the gift and donation approved ataupun approved by the LHDN that you can deduct from your income to arrive at chargeable income. Okay, itu yang pertama, baru 5,000. So, the next one that you can less out from your aggregate income is called relief, another 20,000. What are these relief? Relief adalah pelepasan individu, expenses, savings, bayar tu, bayar ini, beli insurans, ataupun tolak EPF dan sebagainya. Kita akan tengok what are the item that falls under this category called relief. So this is how this individual atau tax is computed based on aggregate income, tolak, gift and donation, tolak, relief to come up with chargeable income of 35,000 ringgit. So the tax rate will be applied on chargeable income, not on aggregate income. I explained earlier, tax charge is not what you pay. Tax that you pay is called tax payable. Kenapa tax charge 1525 but kena bayar lesser? Okay, there's another term in tax computation called rebate and STD. What is or are rebates? Rebate is basically payment of zakat. So during the year, this individual ada bayar zakat sebenarnya. Okay, dia ada bayar zakat fitrah and dia ada bayar zakat harta. So from the tax charge computed based on chargeable income ni, this particular person boleh kurangkan lagi tax dia tu dengan menolak or deduct the amount that he has paid to the pusat zakat lah. Kena bayar kat pusat zakat lah ni, bukan bayar dekat individual. Bukan kata tak boleh nak bayar dekat individual tu, boleh. Tapi awak kena ada receipt lah nanti. So nak minta receipt dekat individual tu ke? Untuk tax tu. So, zakat tu. So for this zakat, you can less it out from your tax charge of 535. And then there's another item that you can take out called STD. For this example, I'm going to put 0 here. And I'll explain later what is STD. It's actually statutory tax, statutory scheduler tax deduction. Okay, some people dekat gaji dia, government dah suruh tolak siang-siang. Setiap bulan kena tolak 500 tax. This is STD lah. Daripada for some reason lah. But for this example, jangan fokus lagi kepada STD ni. Saya explain later what is STD. So, this is actually the format of tax computation and the term used in the tax computation and the areas of the categories of item that you will see in e-filing, full e-filing format. Okay, ataupun form. Okay. This gift donation relief ni also called tax deduction, and that chargeable income also sometimes referred to as taxable income. Okay, let's move on. Kita take sikit lagi sebelum kita break sekejap. Okay, the next thing that I want to do and to bring up this cat again. Okay, apa kena mengena dengan kucing ni? Okay, so remember the strategy that I mentioned just now, the meow strategy. Manage expenses and optimize wealth. This strategy, managing expenses and optimizing wealth, means that, okay, taxpayer to make the best use of various tax exemption, deduction, benefit, relief, donation, rebates. Yang merah-merah itulah yang dia nak manage. Managing expenses, make sure dia letakkan expenses yang allow kat situ. Kalau dia ada tax ataupun bayar zakat, you put it in the rebate section. What is the purpose of that? So that pertamanya, when you manage all this rating, the more you have here that is allowed by the government, your chargeable income will be lesser. And then the lesser your chargeable income, the lesser tax charge and the lesser tax payable, the tax that you have to pay. Okay, so that is the format of the income tax calculation, and that is the strategy. And where are you going to use that strategy is in that rate item itulah. Okay. Nanti kita akan tengok, as I said, in detail dalam e-filing form, each and every one of this heading ni, aggregate income apa, gift and donation apa, relief tu apa. Ada full senarai what are called income. Ada full list of gift and donation approved by the government. So if you give money or you donate something to this particular institution, you can deduct. If you give money or donate to this particular other institution ni yang tidak recognized, approved by the government, you cannot deduct. Okay. So what are relief? As I said just now, relief ni adalah pelepasan ataupun expenses and saving that individual pay ataupun expend lah during the year. So, apa bentuk expenses yang boleh tolak? Apa bentuk savings yang boleh tolak? Okay. Then we come to chargeable income, 35,000, and we'll see some tax rate ni. Macam mana dia kira? Kalau 40,000 macam mana? Kalau 20,000 macam mana? Kalau 70,000 macam mana? So ada tax table and tax rate based on the what we call the tax bracket. Okay, based on the chargeable income, rate ni akan berbeza, berbeza-beza.